Today we're going to take a tour of our room at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, which is located on property at Walt Disney World. This is a moderate resort, and its popularity has really exploded recently due to its recent renovation and the fact that it's now connected directly to both EPCOT and Disney's Hollywood Studios by the Skyliner. Hi, I'm Jennifer and welcome to Mouse and Magic. This is your place for Disney tips, tricks, information, and inspiration. We are in the Jamaica section, which is a preferred room as we're really close to the bridge over to Center Town. This is a tour of a Caribbean Beach Resort room. This one's got 2 queen-size beds on this side, and then over here this is a pull-out bed, a Murphy bed, if in case you have a 5th person. You can see Mickey maxing and relaxing in the sunshine there. Got extra pillows, storage, ice bucket and glasses. On this side, little mini fridge, coffee and tea. Instead of a curtain, which is kind of nice, this one has sliding doors, like a barn door style, for a little bit more privacy. When you're getting ready in the morning, you don't want the light to come in and disturb everyone else. Over here, safe, ironing board, extra pillow blanket, 2 sinks. See the H2O toiletries that are supplied. Big mirror, makeup mirror. In here we have toilet, shower, and they've got the toiletries on the wall, as they are doing in all the resorts these days. Lots of towels and full-length mirror for the morning. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Disney and Disney Cruise Line videos. Thanks for sharing the magic with me.